What's up, you Lucid investors and moneymakers? Welcome back to the channel. I am going to review Lucid in this video. LCID, Nasdaq traded stock. Right now what I see is something I really like. Lucid showed the year range and the lowest is $6.09. We briefly touched $6.80 last week, and I do believe that there are some of the catalysts coming up and you and I should be looking pretty closely into it. Lucid is up 14% year to date, give or take. We were down yesterday on Friday, 0.5% precisely, not much. In the after hours, we saw a slightly uptick, but you might want to mark down the date of May 8th, and I'll tell you why in a second. There are a few catalysts coming up for Lucid. Write down in the comment section below if you really like to further look into Lucid and you want me to review on a regular basis. Write down Lucid. Also write down buy or sell or hold. What do you think about Lucid? Because we will be reviewing what the analysts are talking about. Take a look. Let me go ahead and refresh so you can see. We are looking at $9.92 as an average. The high price point from TipRank's analyst is $13 and the low is $5. Personally, I do not believe that it'll go to $5, but guess what? 4 analysts are giving it a rating of buy, 3 are saying hold, and just 1 analyst is saying low because they are expecting the lowest price point of $5, as well as it has a lot more potential. If someone buys at $6 and change, there is a potential that they can 2x their money. In other words, 100% return on your investment very precisely, and you want to do your own due diligence. If you like Lucid, write down in the comment section below buy or bull. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If I have 50 likes, I'll make sure that I do another video and I keep you posted routinely. Lucid is something not really a penny stock, so don't expect doubling up your money within a week or so, but it is a pretty stable stock. It has more than $12 billion in terms of the market cap. And why I am saying, by the way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on very juicy, very important information. Write down also in the comment section below what do you think Lucid price point will be in 2023, and let me know what you think all in all. So why May 8th? Lucid delivered production and delivery numbers for the first quarter and failed to wow the investors. But guess what? Everyone, like any EV company, including Tesla, they did not really surprise wowing the investors all in all. And when Tesla earnings came out, they are also impacting the LCID price. Analysts are sourcing the company's prospects and Lucid are too expensive to qualify for new EV tax credit. Now, why they are saying that is take a look at what Lucid is coming up with. I like really what I see. The Pure starting from $87,400, Touring, we have Grand Touring about $100,000, and of course our Sapphire $249,000 whooping dollars. But all in all, I like this vehicle, what I see. Also LCID stock alert, why Tesla just sent Lucid Motors share crashing. You already know before 3 days. Tesla disappointing quarter Q1 earning are sending Lucid as well, because all in all at the end of the day it's EV market in general. So you can expect NIO, Lucid, Tesla, all will be in the same boat where expectations from the analyst and from the retail shareholder is pretty high. Clearly, it is not there yet as to what we think. Tesla's price cut may also steal some of the marketplace or the market share away from Lucid. As I already told you, Lucid is showing a pretty high price point, 87.4, 107.4. Take a look, 138 for Touring and 249 for Sapphire. Now, I like the vehicle, experience at the best, as Lucid says. It's game-changing range, astonishing power, and dynamic handling, which I love about Lucid. Especially, I want to buy my next Tesla, maybe. So, and what I see here is Lucid's price point, $6.21, close to $22. So there is a potential you can 3x your money. Again, this could be mid to long-term buy, but I really like what I see. I can do a swing trade as well, but May 8th is very important. Mark down your calendar. Write down in the comment section below what do you think in terms of the price point, when it'll hit. Yes, it can be a slightly pressured in terms of the price point. Go to 6-ish again, but I do believe that when the market is fearful, you want to be slightly greedy. Lucid announced their production and delivery numbers for the first quarter, and it will release the financial results on May 8th. Now, what happened with the price point, right? Let's take a look right here. We were in 8 zone and we went to 686 as I just mentioned, and we closed barely about $7. My hunch is it may hit and it may go around $6.70 range. But we were there before as well. Take a look. We were at briefly $7.23, and from $7.23 we jumped up to $8.24, rather $8.30. Before that we were at $7.15 or $7.07, $6.73. Here is what I wanted to tell you in January. When we were $6.73, we doubled up again within a month and we went to $12.25, which is 2x. So 100% return on your investment is still possible from 6 to 12 and up, which is really a great price point. If I show you the magic right here, if you go to 6 months chart from 648 to right here, about $12 up, we saw 99% return on your investment within less than 30 days, which is amazing for this price point, right? Anyone is listening? The company, which is based in Arizona, backed by Saudi government, produced 2,314 vehicles in Arizona during the quarter and delivered 1,406. Now the stock fell and we saw that it went to 7.7 with the market cap of 14 billion. The good news is Lucid is trying their best to cost cut. Lucid Group stock drops after company reportedly planning to trim 18% of their workforce. Now the good thing is Lucid is going to do a lot better in terms of the revenue because Lucid starts delivering 2023 Air Edition with the steel appearance pack. Now what that means is more money in revenue and sales for Lucid. They have commenced the delivery of luxury Lucid Air and stealth appearance upgrade. Customer begin getting the cars at company's Costa Mesa service center in Southern California, which expected expansion to the rest of the country in the coming weeks, which means more revenue for Lucid. The highly anticipated stealth appearance will delight those who prefer darker, more enigmatic look to Lucid Air side by side. Stealth and premium are like seeing two together, and there is an upgrade price. The upgrade costs $3,000 on the Air Touring with the metal roof and double the price for the metal glass canopy roof. Canadian buyers will pay Canadian $4,000 and 75,000 Canadian dollars respectively. With this 35 component inside the car, some parts that would have premium appearance treatment are instead of covering the dark stealth finish, and which is the unique thing about this particular model. Now, as you already know that this is one of the premium car and Lucid is trying to find their customer base, there is a lot more potential for Lucid to go up. What happens next? And we have seen price prediction and price point that I just shared with you. And let me show you real quick what the analyst ratings are. The smart analyst rating is 6 as you see. So it's a moderate buy. The average target price is 41% upside as I just mentioned within next 6 to 12 months. Now blogger sentiment, neutral, hedge fund increase because they buy at this price point, they hold. If it goes down, they add up, dollar cost average, and news sentiment is negative. Of course, not for Lucid, for anyone and everyone in general, including NIO, Tesla, Lucid, you name them, right? Now, with this 6 price point, as you already know, we can expect a lot more. Lucid stock stinks as market gain, and what you should know. Again, mark down your calendar for the 8th of May because which is when Lucid is going to announce their earnings, and right now the price has already baked in some of the negative sentiment that we are expecting. Most recent trading $7.03, and we already know that 13.68% is companies down in the past month, and they're lagging at the moment, and which is when you have a lot more opportunity. Looking for the full year, the consensus says the analysts are expecting the earning negative $1.41 per share price point and the revenue of $1.015 billion, which is massive. Think about it. If Lucid figures things out, and we have seen uptick in the revenue, which is something I really like. If you like to see these numbers, do hit the like button and subscribe. Take a look here. Q4 2021, we saw 26.39 million in revenue. In Q1, 57. So take a look at this number, 26, the highlighted number. 26 went up to 57 million. In Q2, it went to 97 million. Take a look right here, 195 million in Q3 and December. Q4, we saw 257 million in revenue. Out of that, we already talked about, and analysts are talking about, this year, $1.15 billion in revenue. Now, Lucid, if something they can get it done in terms of their EBITDA and their earning, it'll be massive, because in Q4, we saw the EBITDA of negative 694 million. Before that, 600 plus. Before that, 500 plus. Before that, 500 plus as well in negative, which put them their net income right here, negative. Here, negative 220 million, negative 530. And here, negative 472 million. Now, once they start booking more revenue, you can easily imagine that the negative net income will be a lot better, and at the same time you will see their operating expense also stabling, which means the revenue and profitability will be higher more and more and more. The investors should also note that the recent change in analyst estimate is due to this change in event I just told you about. All in all, volume is not doing as great as you can imagine. Average volume, remember this 25.8 million number, and the current volume is 13 million. And as you can take a look, when we had more and more volume, we were in double-digit price point, right? So $13, $12, $10, and once again, we hit $11. Everything is down right now. You can take a look at Tesla. Tesla was about 200. Right now, Tesla is coming down to $165. Same for NIO. It was $16, $17. Right now, it is trading at $8. And Lucid is no different. And the important thing that you want to note is whenever you see dip in volume, you should also expect some dip in price. But what I wanted to tell you again is this particular chart I wanted to quickly show you. So what you see right here is their moving average, and this is their RSI, relative strength index, for a stock. 36 shows me that it's an oversold condition at the moment, which means there will be some buying power, which will push the stock in the higher direction into the upside next week. And don't take me for granted. Do your own due diligence, because I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I a certified professional, but there's a potential it'll go in the higher side. You can expect that. And the price point, the average price, let me just go back and take a look at 1 month data, and we should be able to see the average price point, or the moving average. You can expect $8.46. Right now we are trading at 703. Even if they meet in the middle, we are looking at 775. You see that there are lots of red bars, juicy red bars, which means selling volume. We saw more selling volume than the buy volume that we used to see in the past, which pushed the stock down, and then there is a selling pressure. However, 36 RSI suggests that the stock can move into the positive direction early next week. If you think about 3 months worth of chart, we really want to go right here before we can start moving in the positive direction, which is $11. Now, can we get $11? Probably yes. If the earning comes down within the target of what the analysts are expecting, you can easily imagine that the stock will go above and beyond $8.46, which is their moving average at the moment. What I see again is something really I like, because when the stock is red, you want to find out what's your next move. We saw that everything is down right now, including within the EV market, whether you think about MULN, think about Lucid, you think about Tesla and or NIO. So do your own due diligence. Write down in the comment section below if you want me to cover this ticker or any other stock symbols. I'm happy to cover that. Do not forget to give me a like and subscribe to this channel and make this channel part of your due diligence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.